Hi everyone, as we have now finished the technical part, now it's time to move on to learn more about shooting videos. If you want to shoot videos, then you need to know about framing and composition. But you must be wondering, Rudra, I don't know about framing and composition. What is framing and composition? Framing and composition is basically knowing where to put your subject while you are shooting your videos. One of the most important rule which comes into play over here is the rule of thirds. And here are some of the good example of rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a composition guideline which tells you to place your subject in the left or right third of an image, leaving the other two thirds more open. Now, as you have learned about the rule of thirds and now you have understood where to place your subject, now it's time to do some exercise. I want you to go and shoot some photos and videos using the rule of thirds. And send me on my social media handles. You can send me on my Instagram, and I would love to see what you create. And this is just not a course where you are just learning about theories. This is all about implementation. Go and try all these theories in your filmmaking, while you are taking photos or videos, and you will learn a lot in the process. So now let's move on to the next part, which is framing.